Okay, we're back for a very special edition of Inside Look. Today, we are here in a car that Kerri has been eyeing up for weeks. It's a 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme convertible.
Convertible, and it's a 24 valve dual overhead cam.
185,000 kilometers for 1994. That is insane.
There is not a spot of rust that I could find on the body of this car.
CD player. You don't see that anymore. Air conditioning works. Power top also works. Roll bar.
Safety first.
I don't know why you'd ever roll this car over. I hope you don't. This car is true to history with analog gauges. And don't forget, the best part of this car is, in fact, its exterior color. There's a beautiful shade of teal. Would you call it teal?
I would call it a teal.
I was thinking that there might somehow be like one of those old 80s cell phones in here.
Is that a cup holder?
Yeah.